We chose the Sorrento Grand Retreat 46 floor plan. As soon as we saw this display home in Truganina, we fell in love with it.
For me, I think the most important part was the kitchen. Just this whole living area and the way the kitchen flows into the dining and living, where we can see the kids all the time while we're cooking dinner at night. It's just, yeah, it's the heart of the home.
Having a light and bright house is really important. High ceilings, the large windows, the big spacious areas and the large backyard was really important for me. My favourite part is upstairs, going up there at the end of the day to unwind in the ensuite, and the bedroom's been really beautiful for me. We see that this house will continue to flex with our growing needs and our growing family. At the moment, the house can feel a little bit large. However, the number of spaces that we use in terms of working from home, the children's retreat, the parents' retreat is definitely going to continue to grow our needs. The standout with the Carlisle process was actually how thorough and how enjoyable the whole process was from when we first met the sales consultant who put our floor plan on the site map and how it would visualise from day one all the way down to our site supervisor. We had a great experience with everyone that we met from tender process as well, our sales consultant, our site supervisor and our CLE.
The energy efficiency was key for me, so we spent quite a bit of our time focusing on stuff like the insulation properties of Hebel, the roof arcing, obviously solar panels and the double glazing, the double glazed windows and sliding doors. They were all just a must, and refrigerative cooling was also a big plus for us. I think overall we're very proud of our choices and style of home that reflects us as a couple.